অমিত শুনতে পাচ্ছ?
হ্যাঁ স্যার পাচ্ছি।
একটা মিনিট দেখিনি আর কেউ জয়েন করে কিনা।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
আমি এটা রেকর্ড করে নেব, রেকর্ড করে সেন্ড ইউ অন।
স্যার একটু দেখে বলবেন স্যার স্ক্রিন শেয়ারটা হচ্ছে কিনা।
হ্যাঁ
বললাম স্ক্রিন শেয়ারটা হচ্ছে কিনা একটু দেখে বলবেন।
হ্যাঁ, স্ক্রিনশটটা দাও, তোমার কাছ থেকে শেয়ার করতে হবে।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
বিদিশা জয়েন করেছে।
স্ক্রিন শেয়ারটা দিয়েছিলাম স্যার, স্ক্রিন শেয়ার এসছে আমার ওখানে।
এটা তো এখনো দেখছি না। ইউ আর ওয়েটিং, জাস্ট মিনিট, জাস্ট মিনিট।
Good morning, sir.
মর্নিং। হ্যাঁ, স্ক্রিন শেয়ার ইজ কামিং।
ওকে স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
হ্যাঁ, গুড।
So will I start sir now?
Yeah, let's start. I think no one else is there at the moment. Let's start. Yes, I'm recording this. I'll send you on.
Okay sir. Okay sir.
It's good. Yeah, it looks good. Start, please.
Today I am here for my seminar, which is titled Qualities of a Good Learning Design. Now, we have to know what is a learning design. Actually, a learning design is sometimes called instructional design or educational design. In fact, a learning design is a field that is concerned with the approaches, strategies, tools, and resources that make good learning experiences by focusing on how and why students interact with their learning activities. Learning design is necessary in instructional educational system, because if we use learning designs for the students interact with us more interestingly and they can learn in easier way. Now we have to know how learning designs are created. At first, a learning design is analyzed, the need of the learning design, the use of it. Then the learning design is created. After that, learning design is developed, and then implementation of the learning design is processed. And at last, the learning design evolution is necessary to know how the learning design is helpful for the learners. Now, I am showing the qualities of a good learning design. Actually, the criteria of a good learning design is involved in many steps or At first, effectiveness, efficiency, and cost. These are the most often used to create a learning design. Effectiveness has to do with how well the instruction enables learners to achieve stated goals or expected outcomes. Then efficiency. Efficiency deals with the energy and time invested to complete the instruction, while cost covers all expense incurred for its design and delivery. Then a learning design, then a quality of a good learning design is to be learner centric. A learning design must be a learning design must be learner centric, because a learning design is developed to help the learners. So an instructional designer always focuses on the learners. He thinks putting himself in the learner's shoes, understands what they do, their needs, and their goals, including their uh, needs and interest. Then a learning design must be imaginative, creative, and innovative. Um, to create a good learning design, a designer uses his imagination, the power of his creation, and innovation. To make a good learning design, an instructional designer always uh, use his imagination to create interesting designs that attracts the learners to learn in an easier way. Next, use of technology. We know we are in a century of technology. If a, uh, a learning design is used in the focus of technology, learners can get it more easily. Use of music, audio, and video in a learning design. If we use music, audio, and video in our learning design, it will be more interesting and creates a place for the learners to learn their lessons enjoyingly. Have an eye for detail. An instructional designer always pays attention to details. He makes a conscious effort to understand the minute details of every aspect and the bird's eye view of the whole context. Then, visualization. For a good learning design, visualization of look and feel of thoughts, ideas, spirits uh, are very much necessary. Visualization ranges at the course, module, and topic level. Now, to conclude that, a professor of design management named Richard Buchanan, he said it best. A good learning design can be defined not only to be creative, stylish, with an extraordinary visual look, but it must consider human engagement in its activities. Thank you.
Yeah, that's great.
Thank you, sir.
So at least we have done it.
Yes, sir.
We can tell
Definitely,
ourselves that we have really done something. So I'm going to send you the recording. Any
Okay,
comments from Vidisha and Pragati? Vidisha, any comment?
No, sir.
Pragati?
অমিতা ভালো হয়েছে।
It's good. Good presentation. Good.
thank you,
Uh,
sir. New way, sir. We are learning
yeah, we have
day
learned,
by
but
day.
there are security questions about this app. So there are huge problems. Let us see what happens. We really don't know how to go about it
Sir,
because there are no better option than this. I've tried Google Classroom, it's difficult. I've tried Microsoft Teams, I've tried Skype, but this seems to be the best at the moment. But then those questions are there. People are asking those questions. Anyway, thanks. At least 3-4 of us are here. So I'm sending the recording.
At least, sir, we
The recording, you might like it.
have done this.
And you're the first one to do it. You're the first one.
Yes.
Second semester will start only at 12. Yeah, congrats.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. So ending the meeting here.
Sir. Thank you.
Like